If you're rolling a 2019 to 2025 Silverado or Sierra 1500 and you're tired of your truck sounding like it's whispering through a soda straw, you've come to the right spot. A killer exhaust isn't just about noise. It's about attitude, performance, and letting that 5.3-liter V8 breathe like it's supposed to. Today, we're breaking down the best-sounding exhausts on the market. And yeah, links to all the products are down in the description, so you can check them out for yourself. The GIBSON Dual Sport Catback is for the drivers who like it extreme, big, bold, and built to last. Dyno-tuned for an extra 15 to 20 horsepower, with dual rear exits at a sharp angle and polished 4-inch tips, it's as mean-looking as it sounds. Listen how it sounds. The Flowmaster FlowFX single outlet is for folks who want a deep, smooth rumble without waking the whole neighborhood. Stainless steel build, easy bolt-on install, and a big 4.5-inch tip make it look and sound mean. Listen how it sounds. The Rough Country Dual Catback brings an aggressive, throaty growl and keeps things looking tough with black stainless tips. No welding, no headaches, just pure truck attitude and better flow. Listen how it sounds. The Flowmaster Outlaw is not shy. This bad boy is loud, proud, and throws down serious performance gains. Dual black ceramic tips and your choice of exit style make it a showstopper. Listen how it sounds. Flowmaster FlowFX. Dual outlet delivers a deep, moderately aggressive tone and a serious bump in power. 21 horsepower and 26 pound-feet of torque. It exits right through the factory bumper bezels for a clean Stock Plus look. Listen how it sounds. The BORLA S-Type is the gold standard. No drone inside. High-grade T304 stainless steel. And that signature BORLA growl that's music to a truck lover's ears. Million-mile warranty says they mean business. Listen how it sounds.
Love the sound.
So there you have it. 5 of the best sounding exhausts for your 2019 to 2025 Silverado or Sierra 1500. From smooth and subtle to straight up wild. No matter which one you pick, your truck will finally sound like it's got the muscle to match its looks. Don't forget, the links to all these systems are in the video description. Smash that subscribe button for more real-world truck upgrades, and let's keep those rigs sounding right.